Google Agentspace versus Microsoft Copilot Studio. The future of AI tools? Here's a short, detailed comparison and recommendation for Google Agentspace and Microsoft Copilot Studio. Without a feature table. Google Agentspace. Short detail. Focuses on creating autonomous AI agents that can understand natural language instructions and break them down into multi-step actions, leveraging various tools and knowledge to achieve goals. It's more about building agents that can independently perform tasks. The interface and ecosystem are still evolving, appearing more as a platform for experimentation and development. Recommendation: best for developers and organizations looking to explore and build more autonomous AI agents for complex task automation. Ideal for those who want to be at the forefront of agent technology and are comfortable with a platform that is still under development. Microsoft Copilot Studio. Short detail. Centers around building and deploying conversational AI chatbots and virtual agents. It provides a low-code/no-code platform for creating guided interactions, answering user queries, and automating workflows through conversations. It integrates deeply with the Microsoft ecosystem, Power Platform, Dynamics 365. Recommendation: best for businesses and individuals wanting to quickly build and deploy sophisticated chatbots for customer service, internal support, and process automation within the Microsoft ecosystem. Ideal for those who need conversational AI solutions with strong integration capabilities and a user-friendly visual development environment. Here are key differences and recommendation. The fundamental difference lies in their core focus. Google Agentspace is geared towards creating autonomous agents that can independently plan and execute tasks. Think of them as digital assistants that can proactively work towards a goal. Microsoft Copilot Studio is designed for building conversational agents, chatbots, that engage in dialogue with users to provide information, answer questions, and guide them through processes. The interaction is more reactive and conversation-driven. Recommendation: choose Google Agentspace if your primary goal is to develop AI entities capable of independent task execution and automation without constant human guidance. It's about building agents that can think and act on their own. Choose Microsoft Copilot Studio if your main objective is to build interactive chatbots for communication, support, and guided automation through conversations. It's about creating agents that engage in dialogue to achieve specific outcomes. While both platforms involve AI, they address different needs within the broader spectrum of intelligent automation. Agentspace is about autonomy, while Copilot Studio is about conversation. So, which of these are you willing to use right now? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone. Catch you in the next one.